Guys, I'm going to try the Maglev train here in Shanghai. Get on the train. There are very few people. The AC is on. The air conditioner is on. My God, this is fantastic. Very few riders. I'm going to go to the head of this train. The cost is 40 Chinese yuan. Not bad. It can send me to the downtown efficiently. So that is why I take this. It's great. It's absolutely spacious. It took me about 2.5 hours from Chongqing to Shanghai. It arrived at Shanghai airport earlier than expected. In order to save some time, so I've decided to take this Maglev train. It will take me to Longyang station directly. Actually, the Longyang station is near the Pudong International Exhibition Center, or Shanghai New International Exhibition Center. So if you come to Shanghai for a trade show, the venue is Pudong International Exhibition Center. You can try this Maglev train. It takes you there directly. Yeah, of course, if your hotel is around there too. Let's check the chairs. This one can hold 3 people. Let me try it. It's very comfortable. And you can put your luggage here. The luggage rack. Gosh. It's too luxury. But very few riders. Very few passengers. Can they really get the profit? So the luggage can be put here too. Small backpacks, small suitcases can be placed here on the shelf. We have to wait it to start off. Maybe it takes another 5 or 6 minutes. There's no information regarding this part, so we have to wait. Hopefully you have the patience to see it. More passengers are coming. Let's have a look of the platform. That is the opposite of the platform. It's so tranquil, very quiet. It seems that young people are very inactive after the pandemic. The economic activity is very inactive. Most of the youth lack motivations to start up, to make business, to open companies. The young people are not very willing to tie the knots, to make babies. So this kind of the crisis is happening in China. It's said that there's only 8 million newborns in 2023 in China. For such a gigantic country, it used to have more than 10 million babies, newborns annually in the past. So the population is shrinking in China, it's dwindling. So that is why India has surpassed China in terms of the population. From my personal perspectives, I think it's not necessary to have the birth control policy anymore. If the young couples, they have the capacity to have the third birth, they can do that. No control. Let the population develops naturally, without any humans' restrictions and interference. That is my personal perspectives. What's your take for this part? The best status of Chinese population is around 700 or 800 million people. But now the problem is the population is aging. Since the birth control policy was executed from 1980s. So that is a problem. The aging population. Too many seniors, but the young people do not want to have babies. But regarding the population's amount, 800 million is the best condition for this country. I mean, if there's no aging problem, no imbalance. My gosh, it's been a long while. I just make the original movies. I don't cut it off. I don't modify it. So hopefully you have the sufficient patience to wait. And I don't use this to get a profit or to earn money. You know, YouTube doesn't have any policy for the Chinese users. Even you've got a lot of subscribers, no such kind of perks. Ideally, more international friends will be coming to China, travel to do business, to make friends. I think it's very important to enhance the international exchange between China and the overseas world. That is why I've been trying my best to explore the foreign market. Hopefully I will have more business overseas. And then I can go abroad, go overseas. Okay, more passengers are coming. 2 babies, 2 kids. Hello. Hello. 2 boys. My goodness, very few passengers. Even 10 minutes have been gone. So few passengers. No foreigners. The pandemic has destroyed the economy thoroughly, completely. It's pretty hard to rebound. Maybe it will take another 2 or 3 years to return to the 1990s or 1918. Oh, I'm sorry, 2018 or 2019 condition. It will only take about less than 10 minutes to reach Longyang Station. It's pretty fast, but this technology has only been used on this line. China hasn't extended it. It said it's going to have a maglev train between Shanghai and Hangzhou. But it hasn't done that yet. It's absolutely the high tech. I think the track doesn't eat the train at all. They don't touch each other. It's just floating, it's said. So that is why the speed is definitely fast, speedy. So if the maglev train is done between Hangzhou and Shanghai, it only takes around 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. That's amazing. So which means 2 cities are just like one city. Hangzhou is a beautiful one. It's the capital of Zhejiang province. It's famous for its West Lake, some temples, and the beautiful traditional buildings. Of course, the Zhejiang cuisine is one of the attractions too. I've been there several times, multiple times. Hopefully I will have a chance to travel to Hangzhou. Okay, the door is closed. And we are going to start off. You just follow my camera, my cell phone, and to see how fast it is. Hangzhou is great. Now it's 8:30 p.m.
为了您的健康，乘坐轨道交通请全程佩戴口罩，不得在列车车厢内饮食。为了您的健康，乘坐轨道交通请全程佩戴口罩。
Okay, it's starting off. Okay, you can see how fast it is. Let's go check the speed. 146, 150. The speed is upping fastly. $225. It's like an aeroplane. So fast. $300. Maybe the maximum speed is around 300 kilometer 1 hour. km 1 hour. Okay guys, I hope you were enjoying it. I'm going to get off very soon. It's absolutely fast. So, gosh. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.